Isometric view of a cube, step by step using set square. Step 1. Rough drawing. Before starting the final drawing, I first make a rough sketch of the cube. This rough drawing helps me understand the position of the object, the direction of the edges, and the space required on the drawing sheet. The rough drawing is done lightly, without using instruments, only to plan the final work. Step 2. Scale explanation. Now, I decide the scale for the drawing. The actual size of the cube is 50 mm on all sides. I am using the scale 10 mm equals 1 centimeter. So, 50 mm is equal to 5 centimeters in the drawing. Small diamond. Step 3. Drawing the baseline. Next, I start the final drawing. First, I draw a straight horizontal baseline at the center of the sheet. This line is drawn neatly using a ruler and acts as the reference line for the entire drawing. Step 4. Drawing isometric axis. Using protractor, on the baseline, I mark a point. From this point, I draw two lines at 30 degrees on either side. Using a protractor, these two inclined lines represent the left and right isometric axes. The vertical direction represents the height axis. Step 5. Measuring length using scale. Along the left 30-degree axis, I measure 5 centimeters using the scale and mark a point. Similarly, along the right 30-degree axis, I measure 5 centimeters and mark another point.
Once drawing 5 centimeter on the either side.
Step 6. Drawing parallel lines using set square. Very important step. Now, I use the set square to draw parallel lines. To draw a line parallel to the left isometric axis, I place the set square exactly along the left 30-degree line. Without changing the angle, I slide the set square carefully until it reaches the point marked on the right axis. I now draw a straight line through this point. This line is parallel to the left axis. Next, to draw a line parallel to the right isometric axis, I place the set square along the right 30-degree line. I slide the set square towards the point marked on the left axis, maintaining the same angle. I draw a straight line through the point. This line is parallel to the right axis. These four lines form a perfect rhombus, which represents the top face of the cube. Step 7. Drawing the vertical edges. From each corner of the top face, I draw vertical lines downward. Each vertical line measures 5 centimeters, representing the height of the cube. I ensure all vertical lines are equal in length and parallel, using the set square for accuracy.
Okay, I have complete drawing the 90-degree angles. Now I am going to take a dimension of 50 mm.
Small diamond. Step 8. Completing the bottom face. Using set square, to complete the bottom face, I draw lines parallel to the top edges. Using the set square, I place it along the top edge and slide it downward. I draw straight lines joining the bottom points. All parallel edges are drawn neatly, using the sliding method of the set square.
After drawing it, I am just going to darken the visible lines.
Step 9. Final finishing. Finally, I darken all the visible edges of the cube. Any unnecessary construction lines are erased carefully. Thus, the isometric view of a cube of size 50 mm is completed neatly using a ruler, protractor, and set square.
Now